we are going to discuss about, just see small videos for frame of reference.
You motionless in front of your computer. My question does not make sense. You can answer yes, because your chair does not move on the floor. Someone else will tell me no, since the earth is spinning. So, it depends. The move is relative to the choice of a reference object. In the example which follows, the object of study will be the ball which is in the hand of this young person. And the frame of reference is the train, whose speed is constant. So, this is a classic example. If the reference frame is the train, its trajectory here is rectilinear. The object falls and rises on a trajectory which is straight and vertical.
See what happens, this person is dropping a ball in a moving train. The train is moving with a constant velocity. Velocity is not changing. Train is constantly, it is moving. If he drops a ball, will it move a straight line down, or will it be some curve it will be taking? Yes, please tell me. So it will be falling in a straight line itself, like how you are standing in your room and dropping a ball. Is it clear for you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The observer is the one who holds the camera, let's say, the one who watches the motion, who studies it. If the observer is now on Earth, outside the train, so if he is linked to Earth, the trajectory is not the same. So, this is enough to understand that a move is not described in the same way depending on the choice of frame of reference. This is why I wanted to do a little animation on the choice of the reference frame. The reference frame is
For outside, how it will look like? Like the ball is moving constantly out, forward direction.
an object. Earlier, it was the train, here it is the ground.
Sir, I cannot write a
That's
Now if you see in this previous question itself, what we were discussing, velocity of B with respect to A. So what happens, slowly you will find like A object will overtake B after some duration itself, right? So meaning is B is relatively at rest and A is started moving and crossing object B. In other direction, in other way, you can say B is moving backward with respect to A. Slowly what will happen? Suppose A was here, B was this much gap. This was moving with 8 meter per second. After certain time, what will happen? A will cover how much distance? You tell me.
Sorry, sir.
In 1 second, how much A will cover? 20 meter?
20 meters.
B will cover how much?
8 meters. 8 meters.
Only. Now suppose total distance was earlier, say 50 meter. There was a gap of 50 meters. So how much will be the gap now? After 1 second. After 1 second, it has reached here. This object B would have reached here now. What is the gap now? Current gap. Will it remain 50 meter itself or it will be reduced?
Sir, it will be reduced.
It will be reduced.
Will be reduced.
How much it will be reduced? 38 meter. 12 meter will be reduced because relatively
Yes,
A covered 12 meter extra compared to B. B had covered 8 meter but A had covered 20 meter.
Sir, 12, sir. 820 minus 812. But 50
Yes.
minus 12 is equal to 38.
38 meter. Now another way, if I ask the question, how much time does it require? Every second 12 meter A is crossing extra. How much? 12 meter A is covering extra compared to B, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how much time it will take to cross? How much minimum time it will take to cross?
4 seconds. 4.2 like that.
So you can solve it. 38 by 12 you can make it 3 point some second, and 1 second further you have added, so it will come somewhere around 4 point some seconds.
Yes, sir.
We had learned this formula. Whenever relative velocity you are talking, terminologies we have discussed. Velocity of A with respect to B, here velocity of A with respect to B, you have to write velocity of A. First will be written as a velocity of A. After that, with respect to means B, you have to write letter, which is nothing but velocity of A minus velocity of B.
Okay,
This
sir.
formula you have to apply always. So in this question also, Tosnika, you have not revised, I believe. Velocity of A with respect to B means, or B with respect to A means, velocity of B, so VB minus VA. And practically situation also you see, like one child is moving with certain speed and the other child is moving with more speed. What will happen? The more speed which is having, it will catch, no? Have you seen any running race? The person who is having more speed will overtake the other one.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This is relative velocity. How much time you will take to just cross that person. So this is nothing but just find the relative velocity and divide the distance. Time is nothing, but you are aware about what is the formula. Time is equals to distance by speed. Is it clear for you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Relative
sir.
speed is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, we are going to learn about displacement. These are all powerful.
The displacement is the shortest path
Shortest path from initial
from initial to final
from the
destination.
initial position.
Displacement is nothing but shortest. Listen carefully. Each word, they are technical word. Shortest path length. I'm talking about path length between starting point and ending point. I'm making notes like student makes, so that it will be easy for you to recall starting point and ending point. Note, hello. Note I am writing. What is the note? Direction of displacement. What should be the direction of displacement?
It will be specified in the question.
Direction of displacement will be from starting to ending. From start to end. From start to end. This is the direction actually. How the displacement will look like, I'm just explaining to you all. Now suppose I will take name of any one student, say student A, who has started from this position. He went 10 meter further, then went exactly opposite side 5 meter, say moved to 20 meter again, came back 10 meter down, moved say 30 meter, and he reached where? He reached position B. Question is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now if I ask, what is the displacement?
So privately.
Let me explain. Some students may not be knowing those things, but those who are aware may reply me. With the direction you have to reply. What is displacement? Or how much is the displacement? Students, please understand Babu here. For displacement, what is the formula we have discussed? Shortest path length. Path length means the way we walk between starting point and ending point. Starting point was A. This was your starting point. Is it clear? And this is your ending point. Between that you have to walk. Straight you have to walk. Whatever the shortest means starting point is there and ending point, you can start walking now. So you are going to walk like this. Right?
Yes, sir. Maybe
Yes.
5
Yes, sir.
meters.
So how much is the distance
5
now?
meter towards the south.
5
5
meters.
meters.
5 meter towards the south.
5 meters towards the
5
south.
meters towards
Very
south.
good. See, upside he had gone 5 and downside also he would have come 5, then only it will become 10. See, this distance is 10. So this distance will also be how much? 5 only. Am I correct?
5. Yes, sir.
So displacement is AB and which is nothing but 5 meter. What is the direction?
South. Towards south.
Towards
South.
south. And we can denote like this. We can denote like this. Right? So vector is, new students who have not attended our lecture during 8th grade foundation, please listen now. Vectors always denoted by arrow. Always denoted by arrow. So AB vector, how to write AB vector? These are all notations actually. AB vectors
AB
will be denoted by, sorry, AB vector only, vectors not vector. AB vector, that we can write AB, इसके सर के ऊपर में चढ़ा दो, AB vector. This arrow will go to the top. Is it clear for you all, Babu?
Sir, I don't understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
those
sir.
who have not understood may say, sir, I have not understood, or you can reply me IDK privately. Let me check the answer. Anyone
Sir,
who,
always arrow should be on right side. On AB.
always. This is vector notation, always right hand side. Anyone who have not understood may write IDK or I have not understood.
So my charging is low. I'm
Okay,
sorry,
okay.
Yeah, actually, time.
Okay, Arush, you have mentioned IDK. Where you have not understood? Arush T, one second. Arush T, have you understood, Babu?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Arush, bolo, where you have not understood?
Sir, but shouldn't it be pointing downwards because it's south?
Acha, you wanted to say like AB like this?
Yeah.
No. Once I'm telling about this vector notation, how are you writing? AB vector, you can write like this itself.
How will they know it's south, west, or like that?
No, that one for notation I'm telling. Direction means you have to say separately towards the left, right, east, west, those things you can write. I'm talking about once you are going to write vector notation, AB vector means AB above. If I say write CD vector, no direction I'm telling, CD vector. So you have to write CD vector like this.
Oh, sir, got it.
Force vector means you have to say like this.
Sir, what is force vector?
Force is nothing but which you are applying. Suppose you are slapping somebody with 10 Newton. So that way, 10 Newton in east direction. So you can say 10 Newton in east direction. This is called magnitude, and east direction you are telling in east means this is direction. This is called magnitude. This is called direction.
Okay, sir. Got it.
And this is nothing but you say force. F vector. Understood? F vector you are denoting magnitude with direction.
Okay, got it.
Any doubt? Now displacement is clear for you all.
Yes, sir.
So my question is,
Yes, sir.
how much is the distance total covered by that person? How much total distance he has covered in this journey?
75 meters.
So 75 meters, sir.
75 meters.
We can add starting from starting until reaching end. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 20, 35. 35 plus 10, 45. 45 plus 30, 75.
75.
Okay, so anything you are able to realize some difference between distance and displacement?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, we are going to write a note. What note we are going to write? Distance will always be greater or equal to the displacement.
Sir, can you give cases in which displacement is equal to distance?
Yes, we will discuss that. Suppose Arush, who was asking the question?
Kavya Singhal, sir.
Kavya. So Kavya, I am taking your case only. Kavya, you have started from A and went to B. This is 50 meter. In that situation, if I ask, how much is the distance?
50 meters.
How much is the displacement?
50 meters.
Very good.
Answer.
But distance, direction, no need to write. For displacement, you have to say towards AB. Towards A to B. The direction, either you can say towards east. Here direction is must.
Yes, sir.
Towards east. So one important point we have noted down. You all must, whatever new thing you are learning, please make a note. Are you ready for the question now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One question I'm giving, I'll give easy question. Ayush, Aditya has mentioned distance is always positive or displacement can be negative. It is nothing like negative or positive, Aditya. It is magnitude part and then direction. If we say minus means which represented the direction actually.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm giving one question. Find a displacement quickly. Reply me privately. Find a displacement. This is your starting point. This is ending point.
Sir, by mistake I missed one. Please consider my second one.
Sir, please consider my second answer.
Okay. Fastest answer by Piyush. You are wrong. Pranav right. Kavya wrong. Mohit right. Toshnika
Second answer,
wrong. Aditya right. Krishna right.
Yes, sir.
Sahil wrong. Kavya right. Mohal right. Tayaba wrong. Mohal right. Piyush right. Arush Sahil right. Aditya Akshit right. Tayaba wrong. Arush T. Okay. IDK have mentioned, no problem. Toshnika wrong. See what we have to do. Shortest. I told you You take starting point. What is the starting point? Those who have not understood, those who have replied wrongly. I'm changing the color of the pen. This is your starting point and this is your ending point. Irrespective of there is a say gaddha, mountain, anything, no problem. You have to consider shortest. You have to start walking like this. कुछ भी नहीं सोचना है उसमें कि में क्या है. So from here to here, straight line. Once you draw, what would be the distance? What would the path length?
50 meters.
Arush T. Please tell me. बाबू देखो इसके सामने ये हो गया 10, ये हो गया 10, ये हो गया 10, है ना? Everywhere 10, 10. So total once we are adding. So how much are we getting? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is how much? 50 meter. Direction towards east.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. If I ask the same question, what would be distance? In this case, the distance will be how much?
90 meters.
So there we have to add whatever ups and downs are there, actual path we have to add. 10, this 10, this 10, this 10. 40 meter further it is getting added.
No, sir.
Does anyone having doubt? Please let me know.
No, sir.
No.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
One more question I'm giving. This was the last question for
sir.
today. See, it has gone like this. Full round mara. उसके बाद में again it has reached here. And each slab is 10 meter. Each slab is 10 meter. Find distance and displacement. Distance is how much and displacement is how much?
Sir, I have typed the answer in 2 parts, sir. First in displacement, then distance.
Yes, sir. Even me.
Okay, so fastest answer by Mohit. Superb, actually, very good. And then Kavya, very good. Sahil, very good. Distance, Kavya, you have mentioned. Oh my
The
God.
distance I second time I replied, sir. 130
Okay.
meters.
Yes, sir. Even I have replied second time distance.
First time by mistake replied 230. The answer is 130.
No need to tell the answer. Let me check for. Still, I have not received reply from Arush T. Arush T. Are you there, Arush?
Answer, can you please check?
Okay, okay. Arush, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please reply. See, being silent, I'm just seeing for you means there is some problem. Okay, Toshnika, Tayyaba, you are still wrong for displacement. Toshnika, you have replied. Where you have replied, Toshnika? Can you resend? Acha, 10. No, Toshnika, you are wrong. One case it is right. See, it is Arush.
Yes, sir.
Arush. It has started from A and ended at B. So what I told, shortest path length between A and B starting to final is how much? How did you get 30 meter, Arush?
Sir, I took all the lengths.
Be louder. Have you not taken snacks?
Sir, I took the lengths of all the sides.
No, but it is asking displacement. How did you get 30 meter? Now it is clear for you. I am telling shortest path length between starting and final. So this is your starting, this is the final. There is no other question here, no?
Yes, sir.
So displacement is how much? Now you tell me.
10 meter.
Very good. Distance will be how much? Once it has gone like this. Gone like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And again it has gone like this. 13. So 130 meter, right?
Yes, sir.
You all are clear now?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
but the distance
Yes,
is
sir.
only from.
Yes, sir.
Got it, sir.
Anyone who has not understood may write IDK again.
Sir, can you explain displacement?
Tayyaba, which portion you are not clear?
Displacement. How to find displacement?
What is the formal definition of displacement, Tayyaba?
Start to end point.
Start to end. So which is start, which is end?
A is start and B is end.
And between that, how much is the shortest path? What is the path length?
10.
10. So that
meter.
is the displacement. Where is the further confusion?
No, sir, clear.
Okay. Anyone who has not understood, if you tell, then only I can be able to explain, no, as per your language. Chaliye, last question, because still 3 members have made mistake. One more question I have to give. This is A. This is A. This is starting point. Came like this, came like this, came like this. Again went like this, went like this, went like this, went like this. And this is the B. Twice it has gone. Once means one complete rotation, second time rotation. Understood?
Sir, A and B are on the same place.
At same place, both are. Find distance and displacement.
So what is
So what is the measure
What
of
is the
my
Each
answer?
are 10. Distance and displacement. I expect everyone should reply.
distance?
If I,
Sir, how many
Distance
time it has
and-
gone to be
twice.
twice?
So
If I find
no.
someone has not
10,
responded,
20, 30,
Consider my
40,
second.
50, 60, 70, 80.
I'm not going to leave.
2 बार गया.
Okay, okay.
So can you please consider my second answer?
Kavya, you have made mistakes. Harini, you have made mistakes. Surprised? Rest others, I'm checking the answer itself. तो उसने कहा displacement nothing word नहीं use करना है.
the displacement? I
quantity
also nothing only the
Zero.
See,
Sir, am I correct?
displacement. I also got zero.
Displacement is 0.
Displacement is
This
0.
is how much?
Sir, I got zero only displacement.
Distance equal to
10 plus 10, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times, right? So 80 meter.
80.
Sir, this time I am
80
correct.
meter.
Let me check. I have replied, but Arus
The
T, you
distance
have
is one.
replied. Wait, Arus T, because now I have to talk to him. Arus, why you have not replied, Babu?
Sir, I replied.
To whom you have replied? I have not got your answer.
Sir, I'll
Sir?
reply in 1 minute.
But you are getting same answer.
No, sir, displacement was wrong.
And distance was right. Why displacement you made it wrong?
Sir, I was a bit confused.
Now it is clear why it will be 0. Because both the points are same point.
Yes, sir.
आदित्य थोड़ा खाना खाओ ज्यादा, मैं आपके पापा से बोलता हूँ ड्राई फ्रूट्स वगैरह खिलाएंगे. योर everyone sound is very much loud but you are silent totally.
Sir, it's something with my mic. It has very low volume.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
sir,